Hello everyone, this is Sir Abdul Rahman. In this video, I'm going to explain how to attempt question number 2 of exercise number 1A from book 4. In this question, you have to write inequalities which define the unshaded region. So, diagram is given here. In this, the first step is you have to recognize which one is the unshaded region. So the white region is the unshaded region here. So write down unshaded region first. Going to write unshaded region. Okay, the next step is you have to draw the outline of the perimeter of unshaded region. Draw the outlines of the perimeter of unshaded region. So one by one, I'm going to draw outline. Let's suppose the red line is the for x equal to 0. The equation of red line is x equal to 0 here. And this is the blue line. The equation of this blue line is, recognize the equation of this blue line. The equation of this blue line is y equal to 3 here. And the equation of this yellow line is x plus y equal to 4. And the last outline is the green one. Equation of this green line is y equal to 0. So, and now we have to write down the inequalities. There are equality sign here, equal to sign, and recall the inequality sign is less than equal to or greater than equal to sign or less than or greater than. But this sign is for solid lines, and without equal to sign is for dotted lines. In this diagram, all the lines are the solid line here. So we have to use the first one. Step is you have to replace equal to equal sign with this less than or equal to or greater than equal to. But remember the note, if unshaded region is below the line, suppose I'm going to take the blue line and observe the unshaded region is below the line, this blue line. Okay, in this case, unshaded region is below line. So inequality will be y is lesser than or equal to 3. Now, for yellow line, the unshaded region is also below the yellow line. When unshaded region is below the line, unshaded region is below the line. So replace equality sign with lesser than or equal to. So inequality will be x plus y less than equal to 4. Now for the green line, observe the unshaded region is above the green line. Unshaded region is above the green line. So your equation, you have to replace this equal to sign with greater than or equal to 0. So now there are 4 inequalities here. Sorry, there are 3 inequalities. First, second, and the third. The first inequality, the second inequality, and the third inequalities. But the last one is x is equal to 0 for unshaded region. So in the right side, unshaded region is in the right side of x equal to 0. In the right side, the value of x will be increasing. So when value is x is increasing here, so I'm going to write, you have to write x is greater than equal to 0. Replace equal to sign with greater than or equal to sign. And these now this is the answer. You have to write the answer for this question. The answer will be, now there are 4 inequalities. First one, second one, third one, and the fourth one is x is greater than 0. So the answer will be y is lesser than equal to 3. The first one. The second one is x plus y lesser than equal to 4. X plus y lesser than equal to 4. And the third one is y is greater than equal to 0. And the fourth one is x is greater than equal to 0. This is the answer for question number 2, part A. You have to remember the note for question number 2, part A. I'm going to paste the note here. These are the notes for this part. Note number 1. Note number 2 here. And note number 3. You have to remember these 3 notes. Note number 1. If required region is below the line, replace equal to sign with less than or equal to or lesser than or equal to signs. If note number 2, if required region is above the line, replace equal to sign with greater than or greater than equal to sign. And be careful, for solid line, use this sign or this sign with equal to sign, lesser than or equal to or greater than or equal to sign. For dotted line, you have to use only less than or greater than sign. So in this case, all the lines were solid lines. So I have used lesser than equal to, or greater than equal to sign here. Now part B, sorry. The part B is also from exercise number 1A, book 4. In this part B, we have to write inequalities for unshaded region here. So mark unshaded region. Suppose I'm going to write down unshaded region here. This is your unshaded region. Second step is draw outlines of this unshaded region. So I'm going to draw this line. This is also, and this dotted line is also the outline of this. And the last one is right. So there are 4 lines: red line, green line, blue line, and yellow line here. You should know the equation of all lines. So 3y equals to x plus 9 is the equation of this red line. X equal to 3 is the equation of the green line. And 2y equal to x is the equation of the blue line. This is 2y equal to x. So I'm going to write 2y equals to x is the equation of this dotted line. And 3x plus 2y equal to 6, the equation of this yellow line. So I'm going to copy this 3x plus 2y equal to 6. So what will you do? You have to replace equal to sign with inequality sign, lesser than, greater than, lesser than, equal to, or greater than, equal to, with the help of these notes. So I'm going to copy these notes here. The note number 1 is, if required region is below the line, replace equal to sign with less than or less than equal to sign. Note number 2 is, if required region is, note number 2 here, if required region is above the line, replace equal to sign with greater than or equal to sign. And be careful for the dotted line. Be careful for solid line. For solid line, you have to use this sign, this or this sign, or for lesser than equal to or greater than equal to sign, or for dotted line, you have to use only less than or greater than sign here. Now I'm going to replace equal to sign with the help of these nodes. For 3y equal to x plus 9, the unshaded region is, unshaded region is below the line here. Unshaded region is below the line. Unshaded region is below this line. So the inequality will be 3y replace equal to with lesser than equal to sign x plus 9. And the for the blue line, now I'm going to blue dotted line, 2y equal to x here. So it is unshaded region is above the below line. Below dotted line here, above the line here. The unshaded region is above of 2y equal to x. So replace equal to sign with greater than sign. So the inequality will be 2y greater than x. Now, for yellow line is the unshaded region is above the yellow line. Above the yellow line here. So the inequality will be, according to the rule, for the above line, if required region or unshaded region is above the line, you have to put greater than or greater than equal to sign. This is the solid line here. So I'm going to replace equal to sign with greater than or equal to sign. So 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to 6 for yellow line. And the last line is the green line, which is vertical line. And the equation of this green line is x equal to 3 here. So this is not the case of below or above. It is the left or right case here. So observe the values of x will increasing. Values of x will be increasing. Suppose this is the axis here, 0, 1, 2, 3, 4. So x is increasing in the left side. In the right side, x is increasing. X is increasing in the left side, and the values of x is decreasing because 0, -1, -2, -3 is decreasing in the left side. So the unshaded region is the left side of this green line here. Unshaded region is the left side of the green line here. So in the left side, values of x is decreasing, 0, -1, -2, -3. So replace this equal to sign with less than or equal to sign. The green line is the solid line here. So I'm going to write less than or equal to sign. So the inequality will be x is less than equal to 3 for the last line here. So now we have four inequalities. Number one, 3y less than equal to x plus not 3y less than equal to x plus 9. Number two, okay, number two is x is less than equal to 3 here. Number three, 2y is greater than equal to x, and the number four is no need to write in order. Number four is 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to 6. So write down the answer, because the question was you have to write down the inequalities which define the unshaded region. So answer will be, write down the answers. Answers will be, write down one by one all the inequalities. 3y less than equal to x plus 9. 3y less than equal to x plus 9. And next inequality is x is less than equal to 3. So write down x is less than equal to 3. And third one is 2y is greater than x. This was the dotted line, so write down only without equal to sign here. Inequality greater than dotted line. And here for yellow line, the inequality will be 3x plus 2y greater than equal to 6. So 3x plus 2y is greater than equal to 6 here. There are four inequalities here. So this is the answer for part B. In this video, I have explained how to attempt question number 2, part A of exercise number 1A, book 4, and question number 2, part B of exercise number 1A, book 4. In the next video, I'm going to explain how to attempt question number 2, part C and part D. But you should know all the notes. Note number 1, note number 2. You have to remember, you have to learn all the notes for this question. Note number 1, note number 2, and the general note. Now, I hope you have learned how to attempt question number 2, part A and part B. If you have not understood, kindly watch this video lesson again and again. So stay connected, subscribe, share with your friends, and don't forget to press bell icon. Thank you very much.